Welcome to the WebTime On-Demand Training course. During this class, we will review how to punch in and out for work and lunch, perform a manual web punch, view your assigned schedule, view your timesheet, request time off, and view the time off calendar. Let's get started.
Hourly employees with a computer workstation must log into Paylocity for timekeeping. Open an internet browser window and go to login.paylocity.com. Enter the company code 33085. Enter your Paylocity username provided by HR when you did your onboarding. Enter the password you set up when you first logged into Paylocity for onboarding.
Managing time and attendance is easy using WebTime. Let's take a look at how to punch in and out to record your time and attendance, clock out manually, read the assigned schedule, and review your timesheet. Your time and attendance dashboard is designed to quickly allow you to enter in your time. You can record your punches, view your assigned schedule, and manage your time off all conveniently from the dashboard. Please note that depending on how your company configures your time and attendance solution, some features, such as some of these sections, may not be available to everyone. You can use the help pages to find additional learning resources. Punching in and out is a cinch. Simply click the orange clock in button to punch into work. You will notice several success indicators. For instance, a green success message located to the right, and you'll even see your punch recorded in the history section. Also, you'll see that you are currently clocked in above the running time. Please remember you can add any notes to your punches by entering comments in the Notes field, but make sure to enter your notes before you punch in or out for the day or for lunch. Speaking of lunch, just click Start Lunch when you're ready to start your mealtime. Again, you will receive a success message. See your lunch punch in the history section and see that you are currently at lunch above the running time. Click End Lunch when you're ready to resume work. And once again, you will see all of the success indicators. But let's say you forgot to punch back into work after lunch, and you realize this at the end of the day. Not to worry. In this instance, you'll simply want to clock out manually. Start by clicking the Manual button. Select Clock Out for punch type. Click Notes to enter a comment saying you forgot to punch back into work after lunch. Type in your comment and click Save. Then just click Punch to record the entry. While the manual punch does not allow you to correct punches throughout the day, it is a handy option to select a punch type when it is not available on your dashboard. Now that you are familiar with punching in and out for work, let's take a look at the Schedule section. This section is for your reference only, and it displays your assigned schedule and any approved time off you have. You can change your calendar to display just one day, 1 week, which includes your start and end times and the assigned department, or 1 month. You can also change the date that the calendar is displaying. Let's take a quick look at your timesheet. This page conveniently shows your clocked in and out times for the current and any past pay periods. It also allows you to approve the time you've recorded. You can also add comments related to this pay period, which is different from the notes you add to specific punches. It is a good practice to visit this page at the end of the pay period to make sure your time is recorded properly. Click Save. As you can see, using your Paylocity solution to manage your time and attendance is easy. With WebTime, you can easily submit your time-off requests, conveniently see the status of those requests, and view remaining benefit balances. Let's take a look at how to submit a time-off request, check the status of your submitted time-off requests, and see your available benefit balances. There are two ways that you can submit your time-off requests in your time and attendance solution. The first way is to submit it through the time-off section of your dashboard. Start by selecting your time-off type in the Type drop-down. Then choose between single day for a single day time-off request, multiple days if you are requesting multiple days off, and/or include weekends if you typically work weekends and you are requesting time off for a weekend day. We'll stick with single day. Select your start date, and if you have multiple days, an end date. Provide a start time and hours if you are only taking a few hours off in a day. Click Submit Request when you have confirmed the details of your request. Your manager will then be notified of your request. You can review the status of your requests or delete a request in the Status tab, as well as check your available time-off balances in the Balances tab. Alternatively, you can submit your time away from work conveniently through the Time Off Calendar option in your menu. Please keep in mind, depending on how your company configures your time and attendance solution, you may or may not have this time off calendar available. Here you can see your calendar, which shows any time off that you have been approved for, any company holidays, or blackout periods. Soft blackout dates are grayed out with an alert icon. You will still have the ability to submit time off requests for soft blackout dates. Hard blackout dates are also grayed out, but will display a lock icon, which indicates that you cannot submit a request. You can also see your teammates' time off so long that there's a working relationship between the two of you. Working relationship means the employees belong in the same employee group. You can change the display date period and even use the search options to specifically filter for what you want shown. To request time off here, simply click the day you want to request off and provide the needed information before clicking Add New Request. Review the confirmation of your requested days and times, and then click Submit if you are ready to submit your request. Your pending request now shows as yellow on the calendar. Your request becomes green once your manager approves it. We took a look at how to punch in and out for work and lunch, perform a manual web punch, view your assigned schedule, view your timesheet, request time off, and view the time off calendar.